1996 Chevy Impala SS. She got a set of 22-inch Culture Classic reps, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. She has a little over 43,000 miles. Frame and floor pans are solid, lower doors are solid, paint is in good condition. She has the stock 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter LT1 V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Driver's side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. She's nice and clean underneath. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. As y'all can see, she's solid as a rock. Deck lid in good shape. And she has the factory RPO code sticker. Get in there and pause it for y'all guys. Trunk nice and clean. Interior is nice and clean. She has power windows, power locks, bucket seats with the SS embroidered headrest, console with floor mounted shifter, headliner good. Upper dash, lower, Back seat nice and clean. Package tray. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC, and she blows snowballs. Let's start her up. As y'all can see, she reads a little over 43,000. Make sure y'all go check us out at rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.